بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له نشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد. Brothers and sisters, I am very thankful to Allah the Almighty to be with you here tonight. It is a great privilege and joy. I want to be honest with you, I've been away from home since Monday, and although I love you, I can't wait to get back home. Tonight, brothers and sisters, I want to talk to you in a very serious way about the current crisis in America. And I think the sad thing about it is that many of us don't know how bad it is. I pray to Allah tonight that I can paint an accurate picture, that He will guide me. I want to begin my discussion with something that the Prophet gave to us. Is called Hadith Qudsi. It is not a verse from the Quran, the words of Allah directly from the Quran, but it is the words of Allah as dictated by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace and blessings be upon him. And I love this statement, and I quote, يا عبادي كلكم ضالون إلا من هديته فاستهدوني أهدكم. O my servants, every one of you are misguided unless I, Allah, guide you. Therefore, ask me and I will guide you. I bear witness to that. I, as a father, am misguided unless Allah guides me to be a better father. I, as a husband, have no guidance unless Allah and His Messenger guide me. كلكم ضالون إلا من هديته فاستهدوني أهدكم. Every one of you are misguided unless Allah guide you. Therefore ask Him and He will guide you.